check. I haven't done one for a while, and just thought I was due for one. So, at the top, I have white ODM bar ends, and then Kink Delta 2 grips. For my brake lever, I have an Odyssey Springfield lever, and an Odyssey cable, which I need to get replaced, because the insides are starting to be like pulled apart and whatnot. I have Division C ball handlebars, but I should have some new bars tomorrow. K Humans and Mint. The bars right now are 9-inch rise, well, 10 with the stem, and 27.75 wide. I have Fit Brian Foster 2 stem, or no, Fit Brian Foster stem, yeah, the stock one. I have a Colony headset, Demolition Elite forks. For my front wheel and tire, I have a Fit FAF 2.4 tire, and then a Shadow Ramp front hub laced to Odyssey Quadrant rim. And then on this side I have a DK peg, just stock. Yeah, I need new pegs pretty soon. For my frame, I have a Fit Wifi frame, 20.75 top tube, painted mint or Krylon pistachio. I painted with Krylon paint, and the color name is pistachio, but it looks more mint. Yeah, same with my forks, of course. I have a Primo fat seat, pivotal, and then stock pivotal post, I guess. I don't know what brand it might be. I have Fit Mac PC pedals, and Salt 170mm length crank arm, or cranks. I have a Colony CC 25 tooth sprocket, and then KMC 710 SL chain. I'm just throwing that on right now because I don't know, just like it. I have like a near brand new chain to use, but yeah. Anyway, I have DK bottom bracket bearings with Colony bottom bracket spacers. For my brake mechanism, I have a Dytech All Brake and clear Odyssey e-brake pads. Another Fit FAF 2.4 tire in the back, and then Alex DM24 rim with a No Protect rubber cassette hub, which is like a Joytech style hub. On my non-drive side, I have a Primo drive side guard, aluminum, and another DK peg. The bike is